So, hi everyone. In today's session, let us try to understand what are the job opportunities for those architects or designers who know Vastu, and what are the tentative pay scales that you guys or anybody can expect with the different job opportunities that are there. So, the first one that we have is people can either become an architecture or interior design, can work in architecture or interior design firms. This basically means for those of them who are designers or architects and who have got a certification from the same, and who have or who do have the knowledge in Vastu, can become either full time or part time, what you say, consultants for Vastu for their design projects, be it from the construction phase or just the interior design phase. The second thing that they can do is become real estate developers for or Vastu advisors in the real estate sector. This has a huge scope and this gives a lot of opportunities for you not to explore just in residential or commercial spaces, but even go into high-rise building structures as well. The third thing that you can do is become independent consultants or independent Vastu consultants. So for those of you who want opportunities from direct clients or who want freelance work from architectural or interior design firms, or who just want to give on-site or no off-site consultations, you can definitely open your own freelancing firm or independent consulting sector where you can do the same. The next thing you can go into is give renovation ideas or designs for making them Vastu compliant. This is a complete different section where you can, for any existing buildings or structures that are there, you can go about giving them design or Vastu consultancies for making their or revamping their spaces more better. The next thing that you can try to work on is either teach full-time or part-time in educational institutions. You can even become a tutor in an online or an offline platform like these e-learning platforms and all that. And you can also help them develop content and create content for Vastu or according to Vastu as well. One special section where we do have is that there are a lot of consultants or Vastu consultants who go for personalizing spaces, and they're called as home and lifestyle consultancies. You can become a part of that and explore more of that in detail. In a setup like our own country like India, there are people who want government or public spaces or commercial spaces to be done as per Vastu. So you can go about designing them as well and making them or the structures Vastu compliant from the initial construction stage to every interior element of that space. The next thing is that you can also become a workshop trainer for those of them who want to teach people Vastu in a batch, go to their offices or universities and stuff like that and become that. You can also become a content creator on platforms like YouTube, Udemy and all that to teach people Vastu. One other opportunity that I've been able to identify here is international consultancies and opportunities. So there are a lot of HNI clients, NRI clients who want their spaces to be designed as per Vastu, and these are actually premium and high pay clients as well. So you can aim at them to get into making more, not just pay scales, but also having opportunities for designing larger spaces. So these are some of the places where you can experiment, you can learn and you can design as per Vastu. But when you come into understanding the pay scale of anything, I would recommend or phrase it into three different levels. The first one being junior level, the second one being a mid level, and the third one being a senior level consultancy in all of these criterias. Keeping in mind generally as of now what the trends I have been seeing, of course these can fluctuate, the trends might vary, but to give you a very rough approximate, for those in junior levels who know architecture and design or who have a certificate in design and architecture, you can expect as a junior level, entry level with merely 1 to 3 years or 4 years of experience, a minimum salary of 3.8 to 4 lakh per annum. Okay, this is dedicated Vastu consultancy with design knowledge. If you're in a mid-level setup where you have about 3 to 4 years to anywhere till 7 to 8 years of experience, you can expect anywhere to get 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. And for those of you who are thinking that you fall in the senior bracket or the senior level category, you can expect anywhere above 8 plus lakhs per annum for going both about Vastu consultancy and also going to do design elements. But please do note, this can be subjected based on the kind of construction requirements, the scope of work. If you're required to go on-site consultancy, whether this is just an on-site consultancy, what exactly is the scope of work is what defines your pricing rate. But this is general pricing, keeping in mind these people are working full-time for probably an established firm or having an independent firm with decent amount of clients coming in. But again, this is not taken to be all the time. Like I said, there can be fluctuations. The salary scope remains very, very stuck in terms of your experience and the scope of work that is actually happening in the industry. Alright, so saying that, thank you very much.